This is ItsRedzz
and this is Redzz. Keep it locked to our channel. Keep it locked to ItsRedzz on YouTube.com.